Welcome YouTube, it's TKNY, and today we are watching Funny Pet Fails Compilation. Try not to laugh. This is from 2019, because I feel like if I watch 2020 and 2021 videos, I will be on the ground, non-stop laughing. So, let's go. Was he trying to get the bottle? That was a slam. He's a cute pupper. Uh-oh. Look at this good boy. Who's a good boy? That's a bonk. Okay, so I had a feeling this would happen. This is a metaphor for my life. Literally, just dangling, enjoying life. Like, that's what you gotta do sometimes, man.
I see him, but not like that.
Oh, the heartbreak. Let's take it back a little bit. This is the part where everything went wrong. Look at the look in the face. Oh, poor puppy. But he stuck the landing. Oh God, little gerbils or guinea pigs or wait. Oh my God. 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 Oh, puppy now. Don't tell me he's gonna get like stuck in there. Look at that face! Look at this face! It's a cute face. Look at the pupper. Look at the pupper. Alright, it's a cat. Don't.
God, I hate taking you for walks. You're always
Turtle.
so slow.
It's gonna be a turtle. The fuck is it a snake for? Why? Why is it a snake?
Come on.
How do you walk a snake? Snakes don't have legs. Turtles, I get. I'm not a snake guy. Oh. Is the dog gonna help? Oh, that dog is like, nope, mine. Some slow motion action. Oh. The 5. The 10. Oh, a little tumble. A little tumble. Does he still have possession of that ball? No. Lost possession.
Oh, yeah.
I feel so bad when dogs can't, like, bite down on it when they're running because, like, it's goofy. Oh, kid's gonna juke. And the... Sign this dog up for the New York... Oh, my God, is that backflipping? The dog should go to the Jets, though. Backflips.
Oh my God.
Backflips. This cat's gonna knock something over. It's gonna knock itself over. Baby goat! Oh, gonna miss. Yep. And he knew it. Oh, but the tackle. I've seen this. No way. No way he makes it. But those hands. Aww. This is just sad. Somebody let this puppy up the slide. No. Squirrels, man. Indestructible. Cat and laser pointer. Classic cat and laser pointer. Oh, this cat's falling over. Look at that edge placement. Alright. A kid's getting laid out. 100%.
Nathan! You see?
You can't blame the kid, though, for that one. Oh, that's not getting through the door. That's not getting through the door, buddy. That's me. That's my life. Okay.
悲送的
Why are
哎
cats obsessed with
Bye-bye.
boxes? Putting stuff in boxes, putting themselves in boxes. What do we got? A dog in a tissue box? Yeah, it's a tissue box. This is a serious epidemic. Oh no, that cat's going in the water. The kid's gonna push the cat, I feel like. Oh, he turned off the... No, this poor cat. He's freaking out. Oh no. Oh, okay, at least they're okay.
Come on, Molly.
Look at the little tutor.
Come on. No, no.
He's...
Come
Oh,
on,
he
to
can't
this
get
side.
it.
Come on. Get up. Get up.
Come on.
Good girl. Come on.
She can't get it. Again with the boxes. Okay, this is funny, but like the box. Snoot. Oh my god. Take the box off. Oh my god. Some... Oh!
Oh, Sasha!
Kira's not in the toilet.
Oh no. Cat and toilet don't mix. Wait, hold on. Wait, what? Did the cat like sit in there or fall in? Alright. Climb up. Oh my... Okay, at least like it was done flushing. Alright, big pupper. Jumps. Oh! Did a cool kickflip. Uh-oh. Cats and mirrors. That's gonna come down. Laser pointer. Oh, that cup's getting knocked off. 100%.
Well, now
Hold
she-
on. Hold on. Did the owner... Yeah, the owner is a terrible person for doing this.
Well, now she's
RC
going
car.
to chase it.
RC car. Oh no. Oh! That's one way to get what you want.
My baby.
It's a raccoon.
She's just...
Oh! What's this cat doing? What's this cat doing? Okay, another box on animal. Seriously. Okay, this is from Nest, so you know they're not home. But what's this other dog doing? This other dog's flat out like, sheep. Oh no. They're taking him. Some cats. Some outdoor cats.
Oh.
Uh-oh. There's going to be a little bite. Oh, there's a bite. Oh, he went down. Is the cat wearing a monkey head? Yeah, the cat can't see. This isn't funny. Pupper. Pupper. Ooh. Let's watch that back. And here we go. Boom. Full contact with the shoulders. This dog knows how to play football. If this little girl had a football, it would be on the floor somewhere over here in a fumble. And carrying her over, like, got to separate her from the ball. This is good defense. Uh-oh. Ferret? Oh, that's going in the garbage. Oh, no, not another toilet cat. Don't.
You're gonna fall.
Okay, at least they show us. Oh, no.
Whee! Go, baby!
Oh! Oh! Hold on. Cute pug. But hold on a second. Let's rewind the clock. A little more. A little more rewind. Alright. Baby slides down. Dog, who loves baby. Baby loves dog.
Go, baby!
Boom. Okay, but the baby wasn't crying. I've learned a little secret. If you pretend everything's okay when the baby gets hurt, the baby does not know any pain. Babies are indestructible. Why am I looking here when my camera is here? It's a cute puggle. He's going to make the face. Oh, and he missed. That's a very small ball. I'd be afraid he'd choke. This cat's going to go in the Kleenex box because owners are terrible. See? 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 They do this on purpose to these animals. Puppy! Don't eat the leaf. Okay, I get those are supposed to be like the boots for the winter, but like the dog's inside. That's my life. That's my life. Oh!
Whoa, you missed!
Hold the phone. We're going to rewind it again. Back to the My Life cat. TKNY. This is the life. We just go and just sit there. Okay. This cat jumps and hits the edge. I like...
Whoa, you missed!
I know cats are indestructible, but like, that's scary. This is a big pupper. He wants the apple. Oh! Somebody's going in the water. Oh! What the hell? The cat's dressed like Santa. That's cute.
Y'all ain't gonna get his little bunny.
Good. Oh! Bulldog said no. Is that a rabbit stuck in a bag? Okay. The epidemic has gotten worse. We went from cats to dogs to rabbits with stuff stuck on their head. Ferrets and snakes are next because apparently snakes are pets now. And another garbage dog. The puppy. Oh! Yo, half these dogs should play for the NFL. Goat's gonna fall off, as goats do. All right. That was everything I kind of hoped for. But everyone, I am currently attempting to lose weight. So far, we are down 15 pounds. When we reach our end goal at the end of May, I will do a body show-off transformation. It's probably going to look kind of the same because working out is hard, but I am determined. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. More videos, weekly to bi-weekly. We're working on a schedule to see what works. Mukbang season episode 2 is going to go into production very soon. Everyone, have a good night.